One pink wheel here. This is a 2003 Mazda Protégé 5. As you can see, one of my fog lights is not working correctly. I don't think it's the bulb. I'm pretty sure because it got knocked out and was hanging. Anyway, I got a new one. A new one to me off eBay. So it's a used one. Hopefully this one works. So basically, the easy way to do this is to keep this whole assembly, and you unscrew this part here, lift up the vehicle, unscrew this from the back, and then it just pulls right out. It's not too difficult, but you do have to jack the car up. Okay, as you can see, I've got the car up on jack stands, and my jack is still also on the car. Just for extra safety, do not ever get underneath your car without there being jack stands in place. Okay, so here we are underneath the car. You're going to have to pull your dust shield out of the way. Mine's already torn and stuff, so just undo these things, pulled out. And then here's the plug. We want to unplug that, and there's that one bolt that we need to undo, and then this thing just pulls out. Be careful as you're loosening this bolt that the existing one doesn't just fall out and crack, especially if you're just replacing the bulb, because replacing the bulb, easiest to do is just to undo this and pull the whole assembly out.